Technologies that will disappear by 2030. 1Passwords. Biometric logins and passkeys are starting to replace traditional passwords. In a few years, we may no longer need to memorize dozens of complicated password combinations. 2. Physical credit card. Contactless payments, wearable devices, and digital wallets are gradually replacing physical cards. Transactions are shifting towards seamless, visible authentication. 3. Remote control. Voice control, motion gestures, and smartphone apps are starting to replace traditional remotes. In the next few years, home devices will mostly be controlled through gestures and AI assistants. 4. Cables. Everything from charging to data transfer is moving toward wireless technology. Charging pads, ultra-fast data beaming, and cloud-based systems are revolutionizing and eventually eliminating cable clutter. 5. Traditional keys. Smart locks, facial recognition, and mobile access are starting to replace traditional mechanical keys. Soon, most security systems will operate completely in the digital world. 6. Paper receipts. Cloud billing, NFC payments, and digital invoices are replacing printed receipts. Soon, the entire checkout process will become fully paperless. 7. Television's channels. Streaming algorithms are replacing scheduled TV. By 2030, traditional broadcasting will be nearly extinct as on-demand AL feeds will take over. 8. Cash. Digital currency and contactless payments are rapidly replacing physical money. In many major economies, cash usage has already dropped below 10%. 9. External hard drives. As cloud storage becomes faster and more secure, physical drives will eventually disappear. Our data will exist everywhere, but feel like it's nowhere. 10. Emails addresses. Instant messaging, voice notes, and AI-generated auto-responses are slowly replacing traditional email. As communication becomes faster and more automated, long email threads and manual typing are expected to fade away. By 2030, email may survive only for official or legacy purposes, while most daily communication becomes real-time and seamless. If you like learning, then this channel is for you. Subscribe for more videos.